If you see a fire, your instinct is to throw water on it. It's a classic move. It works on campfires, burning buildings, and your uncle's barbecue gone wrong. So, naturally, if we decided the sun was being a bit too loud and bright, or we just wanted to cancel summer permanently, you might think we just need a really big bucket of water. If you actually tried this, congratulations. You have just doomed us all. Here is the problem. You are thinking of fire like a caveman. On Earth, fire is a chemical reaction called oxidation. It needs heat, fuel, and oxygen. Water works because it steals the heat and suffocates the oxygen. But the sun is not burning. It is not a ball of fire. It is a ball of gas held together by its own crushing gravity, running on nuclear fusion. Fusion is what happens when you smash hydrogen atoms together so hard they turn into helium and release energy. This process is governed by Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared. A tiny bit of mass becomes a massive amount of energy. Now, look at water. Water is H2O, 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 oxygen atom. To a normal fire, water is a blanket. To the sun, hydrogen is not wet, hydrogen is fuel. By dumping a bucket of water the size of Jupiter onto not smothering the flame, you are feeding the beast. You are literally pouring gasoline on the fire, except here, the gasoline is water, and the fire is a continuous thermonuclear explosion. But wait, it gets worse. You also added oxygen. While the sun can't fuse oxygen yet, that oxygen is heavy. By adding it, you have increased the total mass of the sun. In astrophysics, mass is everything. More mass equals more gravity. More gravity crushes the core of the sun tighter. Higher pressure means the fusion rate skyrockets. This follows the mass-luminosity relation, where luminosity is roughly proportional to mass raised to the power of 3.5. Because you added water, the sun doesn't go dark. It gets hotter. Much hotter. It swells up and turns a blinding, angry blue. The habitable zone, where liquid water can exist, shifts from Earth's orbit all the way out to Pluto. Back on Earth, our generic stick figure friends are waiting for the sweet relief of darkness. Instead, the oceans boil instantly. The atmosphere is stripped away by the intense solar wind. The stick figures do not freeze to death. They are fried into carbon dust before they can even finish complaining about the heat index. This is a failure of hydrostatic equilibrium. You upset the balance between the crushing weight of gravity and the outward push of fusion. You tried to drown a star, but all you did was build a higher pressure cooker and lock us inside with the vegetables. So, if you want to put out the sun, do not use water. You actually have to dismantle it, peeling it apart layer by layer, which is arguably much more difficult. For now, please, put down the bucket and just wear some sunglasses.